So far and so gone, I was never coming back. I was chilling in my room, just counting racks. Never wanna love again, I'll just count this stack. All you did for me, baby, was turn my heart black. Better off alone, I think you're better off dead. 'Cause if it's up to me, you would be off with your head. 'Cause I'd be chilling with the ghosts in the graveyard. And all you're doing is chilling at your spacebar. Everybody hating 'cause I came up quick. Telling shorty hold my phone so I can smoke this spliff. You could never be me, you could never be this. And if I ever said I loved you, then I didn't mean it. I'll just focus on myself 'cause I can do this alone. But you know I'll bring everyone up. I got close when I pull up to the function. I'm in designer clothes. Feel better than all and bought a new wardrobe. And shorty geeking and she dancing at the nightclub. That boy is tweaking if he thinking that he next up. Just hang with the goons and that boy are fucking off. Been away for 2 months, you know I'm still on top. So far and so gone, I was never coming back. I was chilling in my room, just counting racks. Never wanna love again, I'll just count this stack. All you did for me, baby, was turn my heart black. Better off alone, I think you're better off dead. 'Cause if it's up to me, you would be off with your head. 'Cause I'd be chilling with the ghosts in the graveyard. And all you're doing is chilling at your spacebar. Everybody hating 'cause I came up quick. Telling shorty hold my phone so I can smoke this spliff. You could never be me, you could never be this. And if I ever said I loved you, then I didn't mean it. Better off alone, I think you're better off dead. 'Cause if it's up to me, you would be off with your head. 'Cause I'd be chilling with the ghosts in the graveyard. And all you're doing is chilling at your spacebar. Everybody hating 'cause I came up quick. Telling shorty hold my phone so I can smoke this spliff. You could never be me, you could never be this. And if I ever said I loved you, then I didn't mean it. And if I ever said I loved